Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marola Chanel. Apa kabar semuanya? Dan saya berharap semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat, walafiat, dan aman terkendali. Dan saya juga berharap kepada para penggemar Putri agar jangan berhenti untuk mensupport Putri, agar benar-benar Putri bisa meraih seluruh impiannya dan juga menjadi juara satu nanti di EGT 2023 ini. Nah guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat reaksi sepasang musisi senior, dan beliau berasal dari Amerika, bahkan sampai takjub dan kagum sekali melihat penampilan Putri yang sangat luar biasa sekali. Dan bukan beliau berdua sampai memuji-muji Putri entah henti-hentinya sampai video selesai ya. Nah, penasaran seperti apa reaksinya? Langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go!
Hey everybody, welcome back to Touchy Reactions.
Hey.
I got my handsome hunk of a husband, Ryan.
I got my beautiful wife, Cindy, here, and tonight we're going to be checking out the qualifiers performance by Putri Ariani from Indonesia. This just came out yesterday. We rushed home from work today so we could react to this and get it out before the results show tonight. We're going to be checking that out. Make sure you're out there voting for Putri Ariani. Ladies and gentlemen, Putri Ariani.
Okay, let's go.
I have climbed highest mountains. I have run through the fields only to be to be with you, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
It's one of my favorite things. One of my favorite things about the way she performs is she'll take any song and make it her own, and this is totally a great example of that. If you weren't paying attention, this is a U2's I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For. You almost couldn't tell that's the song it was until she got to that last part right there. So beautiful. I think she looks great. They got a beautiful outfit on her. She's just on the piano in the dark with that spotlight on her is a really cool effect.
She's very shiny and sparkly, so the light really reflects on her, which is a good contrast.
Very cool.
I got the song about 4 notes into it. So
really?
Well,
you're quicker than me. I mean, I saw it in the title, so I knew what we were
I didn't see it in the title. I don't have my glasses on. I mean, I see it there, but I can't read it. Yeah. But I will say that starting a cappella like that with having the crowd cheering is really hard. And I really like that octave that she took that up to. Steve?
Let's see how it goes from here. Here we go.
All right, let's see it.
Ya, benar ya. Mungkin akapela itu salah satu teknik yang agak sulit untuk bagi para penyanyi ya guys ya.
Then all the colors will bleed into one, But yes, I'm still running. You broke the bonds and you lose a chance. Carried the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame. You know I believe but I still.
Wow. Sorry, I didn't notice this train on this dress before. Beautiful. That is a stunning dress, almost like a wedding dress.
It's a train. It's like a nice train.
Very nice. Gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
Itu gaunnya sangat spesial itu, Kong.
What I'm looking for, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still
to be real. That's a little shaky right there. Her voice cracked a little bit.
She was crying in there. That was her cry.
It was just not perfect, but acceptable. Not perfect. I don't think that was intentional.
Go back a little.
I don't think that was intentional.
Ya, ulang-ulang.
Yeah. I didn't like that a little bit right there.
Okay.
I don't know if that was her intentionally trying to do something there, or if that was an accidental.
She fixed it right away.
Yeah. But the rest of it so far, amazing. Here we go.
What I'm looking for.
Is Simon standing up?
Putri Ariani.
Rupanya beliau berdua ini tadi pas debat beda pendapat juga tadi ya guys.
Putri, I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely. Because that was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because, you know, they don't clear their songs, because I understand there's a lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition and they knew how much this would mean to her.
That's incredible.
That is awesome.
There's a lot of bands, like I know the Eagles are super copyright crazy when it comes to letting people do their stuff. And I knew that about you too as well, and I forgot about that until he mentioned it right there. They're very stingy about letting
Anybody
people
singing their song.
cover their stuff. So that it's very cool that
They let him.
look at the goosebumps on your arm.
She did.
Yeah, and I just love how much Simon loves her. It's great to see. He's normally known as like this big bad mean guy, and she just melts him every time.
Oh, wow.
Right.
And I cannot thank you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
Sophia.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life.
Thank you so much.
That was spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were like, making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi.
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally. So beautiful. And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. You have a stunning voice.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it yet. I'm just going to go ahead and predict that Bono or somebody from U2 has already mentioned this on Twitter. I'm sure it's already happened. I'll go check it during the editing, and I'll put it up right here if they have. But it strikes me as the type of thing they would do. If they rarely release, I got a feeling that there's going to be something out there. Kind of like what Queen did. Who did that Queen cover?
Adam Lambert.
Yeah. All right,
America on that other singing show.
Yeah, American Idol. Here we go.
Thank you so much.
Great comment, Howie. Perfection.
Thank you so much.
Putri, what do you want to say to Simon and the rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me.
Ya,
Thank you so
silakan
much.
pilih Putri di Amerika ya.
Good luck tonight, Putri.
How could you not vote for her?
How is she not going to be the number one vote getter for the night? I don't know. She's amazing. That was awesome. We're going to do a very short reaction. We normally don't do short reactions. We normally do 2 or 3 songs, that kind of thing. But we had to get this one out because it's time sensitive and we know you guys want to see it. So shout out to everybody who's been supporting Putri Ariani, and go ahead and vote on the AGT apps, and make sure she makes it through to the next round and all the way to the final. That was great.
Oke, mantap. Pastikan kalian berdua untuk vote Putri ya, nanti pas Putri tidak terpilih final nanti silakan vote Putri. Nah, oke guys, itu dia reaksi kita hari ini. Beliau berdua ini tadi sempat beda pendapat berdua saat Putri di nada tinggi tadi, dan kata si perempuannya Putri tadi itu ada sedikit menangis. Tapi yang laki-laki beliau tidak percaya ya kalau itu Putri dan makan, beliau agak kurang suka dengan suara dada Putri, jadi suara agak bergetar itu si bapak ini kurang suka seperti itu. Nah, itulah guys pendapat dari kedua rektor ini. Namun pada keseluruhannya kedua rektor ini beliau sangat menyukai Sampai Putri dan seperti apa talenta Putri Ariani. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah menonton, dan jangan lupa link originalnya ada di deskripsi, dan nantikan terus video berikutnya di Marola Chanel. Terima kasih.